we are going to explore VLOOKUP. So here we are going to search for product with quantity and price. Let's say here we have a cloth. We want to find out the quantity for cloth. For that we have to start with the formula equal VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value, that is here cloth, then comma, table of array from where you want to search the values, comma, column index number. Here the column index number is 2, that is 1, 2, 3. So here we have to find out the quantity, that is 2. Column number is 2. Then comma, either you want approximate match or you want exact match. So use the false. We are going to select the false. Close the bracket and hit the enter key. You will get the result 10. For the product cloth, we have the quantity 10. If you replicate this, you will get the price per piece. So this is the way how we can use the VLOOKUP, very easy way.